Hi, and welcome back to DIY. Today we're going to be making some slime. The materials you're going to be needing are some glue, contact solution, a bowl or a little box like this to mix the stuff in, baking soda, and a stirrer, or as I use, a popsicle stick. So the first step is to put in the glue into your bowl, just a tiny amount. Then you want to add the contact solution. And then the baking soda.